everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Saviland Gel X nail kit that I purchased from Amazon. So you already know if you purchase from Amazon, it's already going to arrive within a couple of days. The box came intact, nothing was leaking, it was sealed. The back of the box has some instructions on how to use the kit to apply the tips, some specifications, and of course how to contact Saviland on all their social media platforms. All right, so let's get inside of the box. The first thing I pulled out was this mini LED flash cure lamp. And if I'm really honest, was the reason why I purchased the kit in the first place. I have a flash curing lamp, but it's the gooseneck one that clamps to the side of the table. So when I'm recording, you can't really see what I'm doing. It did come with the USB cord, but it did not come with the charger that you use to plug it into the wall. It is tap on and off, so not automatic when you stick your finger under the light. The next thing that it came with is this 6-in-1 glue gel. This can be used as nail glue gel, foundation gel, slip solution, self-leveling gel, strengthener gel, and rhinestone glue gel. Interesting. All right. And on the back of the box, it also gives contact information and some tips on use. It wasn't very thick in the consistency. It was, I would say, a medium consistency. And the next item out of the bag was the soft gel nail tips. This one is a medium almond shape, and this is probably going to be the one that I prefer. It did come with 120 pieces, and the nail tips themselves was pre-etched on the inside, so that makes for a quicker service. They were pretty flexible and thin towards the cuticle area and stronger towards the free edge. These did not have, they were kind of flat. They didn't have that much of an arch in them. So I like these, and which is why I prefer them, because I have flatter nail beds. The other set of tips that came in the kit were these long coffin ones. These were etched on the inside, just like the almond ones were. They are sculpted, so they look more like the acrylic nails do. And they have a C-curve in them, which is better if you have wide fanned out nails like I do. Alright, so as I said before, I'm going with the almond tips. I already have my sizes picked out, and I'm just going to quickly show you how easy this process is. First thing, you're just going to paint the inside of the nail, and then after you do that, you're just going to swipe off just a little bit around the cuticle area. And what I do is float some up the middle there just to make sure that the glue makes contact all over my nail. You're going to hold it at a 45-degree angle. Press down until the glue goes to the free edge of your nail, and then stick it under the lamp to flash cure it for 3 to 5 seconds. I found about 5 seconds was just good enough to adhere the nail and still leave the glue gel pliable enough to where you could scrape it away from your cuticle area if you had any seepage. Alright, so I'm just going to repeat the same thing over the rest of my nails, and it's just that simple. Doing these Gel X nails at home is going to save you time. It's going to save you a trip to the salon. It's going to save you so much money. And when you can get a kit for $10 shipped right to your door from Amazon, why not? So if I had to rate this kit, I would probably give it a 9 out of 10. One, because the lamp itself isn't automatic, so you have to keep tapping it. And two, this is probably just because of me applying the shorter nails with my sausage fingers. There wasn't enough room up under or in the space under the lamp itself. And so sometimes I struggled in getting the nail all the way up under the light. So I think I'm actually going to break this video up since the Gel X method I just wanted to show, because I don't really have a video to where I'm showing the process all the way through. And then in the next video, I'm actually going to unbox another kit and show you the design that I do on these nails. So if you're still hanging out with us to this point and you haven't done so, please do me the huge favor and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with a friend. So I feel like I've been talking the entire video and have. So I'm going to let you listen to some easy listening music, and I'll come back at the next part. All right, well, here we are to my beloved thumbs, and you can see as I'm chasing this lamp all around my desk how I'm struggling to fit my finger up under the lamp. And this gel is so forgiving. You can just simply swipe it away, add more if you need to, put the nail tip back on and flash cure it. You'll see me trying to hook with my pointer finger just to hold the lamp in place. And again, it's the size of my fingers and the space up under the lamp, in addition to the length of the nails. But as you can see, it turned out just fine. And I'm all done with this. The next step is, you'll see I'm just scraping away those bits that seeped from up under, and again, about 3 to 5 seconds, and it is still pliable enough to do so. I'm just going to go around all the nails and do the same thing to clean up the extra gel that seeped out around the cuticle area. After I'm finished with that, I'm just going to take this is a 150 grit file, and I'm just going to buff the nails out to prepare them for the gel polish. And also I'm going to go around the cuticle area just to make it nice and flush with my natural nail.